Welcome back to Maryland HVAC Repair. Today we're learning about ACH, air changes per hour, and why it matters for HVAC systems. What is ACH? ACH tells us how many times the air in a room is completely replaced in 1 hour. It's important for ventilation, indoor air quality, and sizing your HVAC system properly, especially for homes, offices, and hospitals. The formula. To calculate ACH, use this formula, ACH equals sign, CFM x 60, volume, where CFM is the airflow in cubic feet per minute, volume is the total cubic feet of the room. Multiply by 60 because CFM is in minutes and ACH is per hour. Example breakdown. Let's say a room is 1,200 cubic feet and your system provides 100 CFM of air. ACH equals sign 100 x 60. 1,200 ACH equals sign 6,000 divided 1,200 equals 5 air changes per hour. That means the air is replaced 5 times every hour. Final recap. ACH tells you how often a room's air is fully replaced. Use ACH equals sign, CFM x 60. Volume helps meet building codes and improve indoor air quality. If you're prepping for an HVAC exam or working in the field, this is a must-know concept. Get the HVAC book, MarylandHVACRepair.com. Subscribe on YouTube.